Hello, this video covers how to activate an Immerse2learn enrollment code. Start by going to immerse2learn.com/LMS/login or other website provided. If you are a current or returning user, input your login information, then click the login button. New users will first need to register. To register, click the New User Registration button. Now click the Click Here to Register link in the enrollment code box. Complete the registration form, remember your login information, then click the Submit Registration Form button. You should be redirected to the login page. If not, go to immerse2learn.com/LMS/login or other website provided. Enter your login information and click Login. If you see a class enrollment button on your home page, you can click here, or otherwise, cursor over the enrollment menu at the top of the page and click the class enrollment option. Input the exact enrollment code and click the Submit Code button. Note, enrollment codes are case sensitive, so be sure to input your exact code. Upon submitting a valid code, you will be redirected back to your Immerse2learn homepage. The activation process is now complete. If an invalid code is entered, you will receive a message at the top of the page. Check your entry and try again. For support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.